If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Wise, it's important to act quickly. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Open the Wise app or website and log into your account using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the account associated with the pending transaction. Step 2. Navigate to your transactions. Once logged in, go to the Activity or Transactions section of your account. This area displays all your recent transactions, including those that are pending. Step 3. Locate the pending transaction. Scroll through your list of transactions to find the one you wish to cancel. Look for any transactions marked as pending to identify the correct one. Step 4. Select the transaction. Click or tap on the pending transaction to view its details. This will provide you with more information about the transaction, including the option to cancel it. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. If you follow these steps, you should be able to successfully cancel your pending transaction on Wise. Always double check your transaction status to ensure it has been cancelled.